Okay, so I rode my bike for quite a distance. I think we got still more to hike up the small hill. After completing a test ride on my mountain bike, it was time to give it a good clean. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. So I am in the process of setting up my car so that I can go out into the woods and camp in there and sleep in my car. So there have been many videos which I have been putting up. If you want to know what is going on here, there will be links for all those videos in the description below. Please check them out so that you can understand what is going on. So I have been thinking of while camping, how am I going to get fresh? When I say get fresh, how am I going to take bath? Finally, I have come up with a very cheap solution. I wanted to spend my money very wisely. So that I can, if I work out with one of the things of camping setup, which I'm going to talk right now about, I can spend my money on something else which is really important for me. So today I'm going to talk about how I'm going to set up my camping shower tent and how I'm going to get fresh, things like those. So I was actually looking for very simpler solutions so that I can put up or set up a camping shower tent. So I have been searching Amazon and few other websites. Looks like they are very expensive. So let me show you that solution right now. Okay, so the solution is this. It's a tarpaulin. I chose to go with a tarpaulin and set up my camping tent, shower tent, so that I can take bath and cook if possible under the tarp. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to set it up, but before I would like to talk about this tarp a bit. So this, as you see, it's in blue color, which is my favorite color, and it's the size of this is 12 by 15. Okay, so it's a 12 by 15 tarp, blue color, and it is like it's a heavy duty tarp, though it's lightweight. Feels cheap, but it's heavy duty. It can be used for multi-purposes, and it is resistant of all weathers. Okay, so this is the tarp which I have purchased. I bought it for 200 rupees. Can you believe it? It's very cheap. So the tents which I have been searching for, they were expensive. They're like 1400, 1600. Few of them are over 2000 rupees, which is expensive. So this is the tarp which I have chose to set it up as a camping tent for shower and all. So right now I'm going to set this up and I'll show you two in a bit. Okay, so I'm going to open the tarp completely. So right now it's folded in two. I'm going to open it. Okay, just like that. I'll hold it just like this so that it will be easy for me to place this on this hood of my car. So I'll just take it like this and I'll make sure it's lined up. Okay, and then I can just push it forward. Pretty easy job. Okay, all right, so let me bring you guys closer to this. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've just placed it above the hood of this car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it nicely, and again I'm going to use the binder clips. The binder clips which I have used to set up my mosquito net. If you have not watched that video, There's a link in the description, and also you should see a card right here. You can check that video out. As you can see, this thing is pretty lined up along with the hood. Okay, I'm going to make a fold. Okay, all right, so this part I'm going to hold at the top, and I'm going to pull it a bit tight so that I can just take it like this. Okay, I'm going to show that to you once again. So I'm going to hold it at the top of the hood, and then I'm going to pull it a bit here, and I'm going to make a neat straight line and line it up along with this, just like this. Okay, if it's raining, then the chances are there water will get inside. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it, and the one which is hanging inside, I'm going to pull that out. Okay, just like that. This is still going to be like this. Okay, and I'm going to hold these two pieces together like so. Okay, now right now I have a very plain, a clear folding right here. Even though if it rains, the water will just roll outside. It's not going to come inside. Okay, all right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a binder clip, and I'm going to find a place. I'm going to tuck it inside. All right, the moment I do that, I'll see the hood. Okay, I see the hood right here, the one of the corners of the hood right here. Okay, so I'm going to simply use this binder clip to clip it together, all these foldings. Okay, and it's going to stay there. Okay, as you can now see, this one looks a perfect folding. Okay, so here's the folded tarp here. You can see how I have clipped it in place. Okay, let me show it to you around. Okay, so this is the other side. So I'm going to quickly fold it and show it to you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the same thing again. I'm going to just pull it. I'll just hold it at the top first, and then I'm going to make a straight line here. You just pull it, okay, like this, and I'm going to bring it and line it according to this, according to the hood. Okay, so again, I'm going to bring the inside part out, just like so. Okay, so that no water is going to go inside. Okay, all right, so here's everything. I'm going to take my binder clip, and I'm going to bind it, or I'm going to clip it together to the hood. Okay, as you can see, I've just clipped it here, and this is how it is going to look. Let me go back a bit so that you can get a nicer look. All right, that's there, and this is the other side. Now let's get inside and see how it is actually looking from inside. So right now, as you can see, I have collapsed all my car seats so that you can have a clear picture of how it is going to look. Okay, so that's the tarpaulin. I've already set it up. You have already seen it. So I'm going to show it to you how it's going to look when I stand there. Okay. Okay, as you guys can see, right now I'm standing here, and there is enough room on top of my head to stand. I'm not leaning, or I'm not bending my knees here, so I'm standing straight. I'm 5'9", so I have enough space to move my hands. Okay, while I'm taking a shower, I have enough space to move my hands. Okay, so this thing is going to be really nice. So let me bring you guys closer. Okay, I'm taking you guys inside. Okay, let me sit and show it to you. So as you can see, everything has been perfectly set up. Okay, so there's no way anybody is going to see from a distance. So I have enough space to stand. Let me stand and show it to you guys. Okay, I have enough space to stand. Okay, and I can take bath right in here. Okay, so everything looks great. I have the tarp. You have seen how I have set it up, and you have also seen, the space I have. It's enough room for me to stand and take a bath here. All right, so everything looks great. So, but how I'm going to hold the water so that I can take shower? Is there a bucket or something like that? So the solution is this. Okay, this is a 10-liter hiking shower bag. All right, so it has a thermometer. Okay, it has a thermometer. If I fill water inside of this bag and then I keep it in the sun, the water heats up and it will show the temperature. I was really lucky, I would say, to find this bag because this was the only one bag in the store. I have bought it in Decathlon in camping section over there. So instead of spending a huge amount on the camping tent or the camping shower tent, what I'm trying to say, I have spent my money wisely on this. Okay, so I can carry 10 liters of water in this, and I can take a shower after setting up this tarp. All right, so it comes along with this nozzle, okay, along with this hose. All right, so there's this nozzle. It has this press on and off system right here. Okay, this end is going to be connected into the camping shower bag itself. On the camping bag, okay, on the camping bag there is this entrance or the exit for water to flow into this hose. So all I have to do is I just have to push this hose into this, just like that. Okay, okay, I think it's secured now. So after setting this up, I now have a bag of 10 liters capacity so that I can take shower. And this is where from I pour water inside. Okay, this is the opening. Okay, this is the opening, and I was talking about the thermometer. This is a thermometer, as I was talking about. It will show the numbers. Okay, when I pour water inside and keep it in the sun, the water heats up, and this will show the temperature. I have not tried this yet, so I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to talk more about this bag in the future. Okay, so right now this is what I have. Okay, so how am I going to hold my bag while I'm taking shower? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my bag onto this stud, and I'm going to take shower. So let me quickly show it to you now. So I have this strap. I can adjust the length. Okay, so what I do is I'll just place it like this. Okay, and now I have this bag completely set up so that I can take shower. Yes, this hose is very long for me to take shower, so I'm going to cut the hose as per the height from the ground so that it can give me enough pressure So I'm going to pour some water into this bag and I'll show how this thing is going to work. All right. I've brought this 20 liters water can along with me today just to show you how this camping shower bag is going to work. Okay, let me pour some water into the bag. Okay, I'm going to sit. Pull this cap gently. Alright, so I'm going to pour some water inside this bag. I think that's enough just to test. Okay. Alright, I'm going to close the lid. Put it back up there. Okay, so as you can see right now, I've set it up and I am going to press this and there's water. Alright, so the pressure is not that great because the hose is quite long. So let me put this bag on top of this hood and see if the pressure improves. Okay, so I've put the camping shower bag on top of my car's hood. Let's see the pressure now. There you go. That's a great pressure. I think this is sufficient for me to take shower while I'm camping in the woods. This is great, guys. All right, so that's about the camping shower bag and the camping shower tent setup. I wanted to spend very less amount on this and come up with some great solution, and I think I have. All right, guys, so that was the camping setup, and I'm really happy that how greatly this thing has actually worked out. And I also have many videos lined up for you guys. I'm going to also show you the cooking setup, how I'm going to cook. You can expect a video very soon on this channel. So I would greatly encourage you guys to stick around and stay tuned for more awesome videos. And someday I'm definitely going to carry all this setup and I'm going to camp in the woods, and I'm going to talk to you guys right there and share my experiences. So right now it's just just a setup and all, but the real thing is when I'm going to use it while I'm camping. Please stick around and subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you soon. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.